Hi, today on All About Adoption, I'm going to teach you how to be your home study provider's favorite clients. Hi, if we've not had the opportunity to meet, my name is Stephanie A., and I'm the founder and executive director of Adoption and Beyond. And we have helped thousands of families build their family through adoption. We have a step-by-step process to help families do that, and we would love to share that with you. So, what's the first thing that will make you your home study provider's favorite client? Number one, return the required paperwork quickly. You will be surprised at how long it takes families to gather all of their paperwork for the home study process. Now, we've had families do it as quickly as 2 weeks, and we've had families take 2 years to gather the home study documents for the home study process. So gathering your paperwork quickly and moving it along quickly will make you one of your home study provider's favorite clients. Number two, when you're setting your appointment for your social worker to come do your home visit, be sure you're as flexible as possible. Do not ask the social worker to adjust her schedule to fit your schedule. Find a time that works that the social worker provides you. The social worker will usually provide you with multiple days, multiple times. Find one that works the best for you. It may not be the perfect time, but find one that works the best for you and show your social worker that this visit is very important to you and that you are making it a priority in your life. Just know that if you cannot find the adoption process and the home study process and making that a priority in your life, it's going to reflect poorly on you as a family, thinking if you can't make this a priority, how are we going to know that you're going to make the child a priority once they join your family? So show that this process is extremely important to you and that you will do whatever it takes to be able to make this process go as smoothly as possible. Do all the required training, attend any workshops that are required, read any books that are required, take any online courses that are required, and don't question whether you really have to do that. Yes, you really do have to do that. And yes, these courses and these trainings were selected specifically for a purpose that your agency found was important in being able to evaluate you as a family and to be able to prepare you as an adoptive family as you move into the adoption process. So take the education seriously. Yes, it's annoying. And yes, a lot of families don't want to do it, but repeatedly, families will come back to us and thank us profusely for making the education requirement required, and they have found that it was beneficial when it actually came time to doing the adoption process. When you are asked, why are you wanting to do the adoption process, be sure you're as honest as possible with regards to that. Don't tell your social worker or your agency what you think they want to hear. We want your honest responses because we may find that there are areas that we think that you could do a little more education on or maybe receive counseling around. So it's important to be honest and to be the best parent that you can be for adoption. So I hope you found the secrets of how to be your agency's favorite client when doing the home study process helpful. Keep these, use these, and I promise the home study process will go smoothly for you. So I hope you found this information helpful and just know that you are in the right place to build your family in your own unique way through adoption. Thank you so much. Bye.